What's up everybody? Today I'll be making the most simple yet delicious burger buns that you'll ever make. You'll be needing a few ingredients, a few tools, and you'll have delicious results. First up, you'll be needing flour, salt and sugar, yeast, eggs, butter, lukewarm water. You'll be needing sesame seed if you like, a brush to brush some egg wash on top of your buns. For the tools, you'll be needing a KitchenAid with a hook attachment, a bowl scraper. You'll also be needing a baking tray with silicone or parchment. And those are all of the things you'll be needing to make a delicious burger bun. So let's get started. So let's begin. I'll start by adding my flour, sugar and salt, yeast to the mixer, and I'll just mix that around so it all gets distributed evenly. Next, I'll add my butter, and eggs, I'll mix that around on low. So after that's mixed for about 30 seconds, I'll add my water. So I'll let that incorporate all together before I turn it up, because you don't want the flour to be going all over the place. So after it's reached this stage and it's been incorporated, I'll turn my mixer onto medium and let that go for 10 minutes. So at the halfway point, this is how your dough should look. It's almost becoming a ball. And this is how you know you're on the right track. So after 10 minutes, this is how your dough should look like. And you'll test it. And if it has the stretch, this is when you know your dough is ready and you're ready for the next step. So now I'm going to transfer my dough into this bowl. Everything out of there. And what I did, I sprayed the bowl, or you can brush some oil in there, and so it doesn't stick. And now you can cover this with some plastic wrap or a towel and let it sit for about an hour or two until it doubles in size. So after your dough has doubled its size, this is how it should look. What I'll do next is I'll take some flour, I'll dust it on my surface, and I'll turn my dough out. I have my bowl scraper. So what I'll do is I'll add a little bit more flour and I'll cut this in half. So my goal here is to make 8 buns, 8 large size burger buns. So after that, I'll do half again. And then half once more. So that's it. Now I have my 8 separated buns. Now I'll shape and mold them. So now I'll shape my buns. So what I'll do, I'll take a little bit more flour and I'll fold these over. So the whole thing is building tension for your dough, so you have wonderful looking buns. Once more, so I'll fold this all the way over. I'll start cutting the bottom, so you have a smooth bottom and an extra smooth top. So that's it. Beautiful. So I'll keep doing these, and then I'll show you the next step. So I've finished shaping my burger buns. Now I'll cover these with a towel and let them sit until they double in size. So here are your buns after they've doubled in size. And now I'll brush some egg wash on them. And after that, I'll place some sesame seed. So now I've finished brushing my egg wash on my buns, and I'll add some sesame seed. You can do as much or as little as you want. So now I've finished placing the sesame seed on top of my buns. I'll place it into an oven at 400 degrees for about 10 to 12 minutes. Here are the burger buns. I'll let these cool and show you a closer look of them. So here are the close-up of these beautiful buns, and I'll pull some apart. And as you can see, soft and light. So thank you for watching. Please make this recipe at home. I promise you'll enjoy it. If you like my video, give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel. And again, thank you for watching.